those 6 films. Started out about 6 months ago with our first piece 3. From there we've gone from strength to strength. James joined the group for our production of The Enemy, set around a cafe, Namski Cafe. And from there on we've an additional crew. Phil has joined us for our last piece, which was a great success. Hope you enjoy this one.
Today we're going to make a film called, well, you can wait till the title sequence. But these films take a lot of work, take many hours. They drain you out. Yeah? And you know, you've got to understand that you know, work like this goes on. It takes a good half an hour to produce a title board, to get it right, to cut it right. You know, so
Can't skin up, James.
yeah, inspiration, things like that.
As soon as we get out of the car. Yeah.
You know, we just do.
No, don't skin up now.
We just want to make films, you know.
We're going to leave in a minute.
Not mean things.
Just
you know,
wait until we're
Salisbury,
there.
whatever, you know, Salisbury they've done. And we make films about Salisbury because we believe that Salisbury can turn out these kind of people, these kind of cretins, you know, no joke. I'm not talking about the obvious kind of people, you know. We're not talking about people you thought, you would have think would be like Vincent Legrand. Vincent Legrand is basically a metaphor for the kind of stench that's creeping up insidiously all over the place, you know. So it's not a statement as such, it's just it's a kind of symbol, and anyone can do it. People can just, you know, stand up and in the middle of the market picking their bum. We can just you know, document our views about this town. This place is a fucking mess. They come here and they wreck the place. I mean, what the fuck? Huh? What am I supposed to do about it? Shit everywhere. Where's that goddamn? Look at this shit. Everywhere. Everywhere. It's that fucking plat de jour again. Fuck.
Caretaker needs killing. Do you want to die?
Where are you?
Come back to me. Come back. Yes, Tim. Tim, are you there? Please, be there. Tim!
For young adults with cerebral palsy, it's under the auspices of the specialist.
Brothers on the corpses of other civilizations. Here is the time of life to come. I talked to this weird old man. Yeah, I knew what he was talking about. Modern magic, superhuman despotic power. Such elements exercise even on those who recognize them. Elements till now derided by people on taste. He knew what he was talking about. The enchantment of film going, that's right. To endow with a poetic value which does not yet possess it. That's what he was on about. This man knew everything. I still wanted to kill him. Doesn't matter. He kept talking and talking.
Excuse me. Do you want to come for a cup of tea with me?
What you say?
Paradise. Yeah.
It's me, the doctor.
Doctor.
I'm the doctor. You've got to sort yourself out.
There's nothing wrong with me.
Where have you been? Where have you been? Have you been in that place? Have you been in that place again, Vincent? Huh?
No.
Place. Building. Huh? Your head? I can see it. Stop pissing around, okay?
Okay.
Now, Vincent, I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay?
Yes.
Capital of Zina.
Frog spawn.
Stop pissing around.
I'm not!
Stop pissing around, Vincent. I know you've killed people. Capital of Zina.
I don't know.
Capital of Zina.
Snakes bite eating into my anus. Nothing wrong with me. Yes, there is. Yes, there. Nothing wrong. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Wrong with me. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Nothing nothing wrong with me.